Do you want to be able to speak English with ease? In this video, I'm going to show you how to have easy conversations in English so that you can improve your fluency. Welcome to Zenfluent Maria. I am Maria and I share weekly English fluency tips and tricks to help boost your confidence and fulfill your highest potential in English. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to speak English like a native speaker. Even if you're a beginner, don't worry. I'll make it really easy for you. You'll be able to hold simple conversations in no time at all. Learning a new language can be daunting, but with the right tools, it can be a breeze. To help you out, I have prepared the most common, easy English conversation phrases to help you get started. So whether you're traveling to an English-speaking country or just want to converse with friends and family, these phrases will come in handy. Before we get started, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already and click on the like button down below to support me. So without further ado, let's get started. In order to memorize these phrases better, we're going to do this slow and steady. I recommend you to watch this video in a quiet room with no distractions around in order to be able to concentrate better. I will read each phrase twice, and then it will be your turn to repeat. Ready? Let's go. Hi, how are you today? Hi, how are you today? I am good, thank you. I am good, thank you. What time is it? What time is it? It's 9:15. It's 9:15. Long time no see. Long time no see. Could you please repeat that? Could you please repeat that? I speak a little English. I speak a little English. Please speak more slowly. Please speak more slowly. Excuse me, where is the toilet? Excuse me, where is the toilet? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. What do you think? What do you think? What are you doing? What are you doing? I disagree. I disagree. One moment, please. One moment, please. What is happening? What is happening? Are you busy right now? Are you busy right now? Yes, I am very busy. Yes, I am very busy. Where are you? Where are you? I am at home. I am at home. Do you have any plans for summer? Do you have any plans for summer? How old are you? How old are you? I am 22. I am 22. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? It's the 12th of August. It's the 12th of August. Who do you live with? Who do you live with? I live with my parents. I live with my parents. How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have? I have one brother. I have one brother. Can I borrow your umbrella? Can I borrow your umbrella? Of course. Of course. I am surprised. I am surprised. I am angry. I am angry. This makes me sad. This makes me sad. I disagree. I disagree. I agree. I agree. Are you seeing anyone? Are you seeing anyone? No, I am single. No, I am single. Yes, I have a boyfriend. Yes, I have a boyfriend. You're smart. You're smart. That's great to hear. That's great to hear. Congratulations. Congratulations. May I speak to Mr. Luke? May I speak to Mr. Luke? He's out of office now. He's out of office now. Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports? Yes, I play tennis. Yes, I play tennis. No, I'm not really sporty. No, I'm not really sporty. What sort of music do you like? What sort of music do you like? Anything really. Anything really. Who do you work for? Who do you work for? I am self-employed. I am self-employed. I have just started at a law firm. I have just started at a law firm. I'm doing an internship at the moment. I'm doing an internship at the moment. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. I have a fever. I have a fever. I have a stomach ache. I have a stomach ache. Thanks, I had a great evening. Thanks, I had a great evening. When can I see you again? When can I see you again? Excuse me, I have a reservation. Excuse me, I have a reservation. Are there any seats available? Are there any seats available? I'd like to return this. It's broken. I'd like to return this. It's broken. Where can I find an ATM? Where can I find an ATM? I would like to exchange money. I would like to exchange money. Have you ever been to the United States before? Have you ever been to the United States before? No, this is my first time. No, this is my first time. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. See you again. See you again. You've made it to the end of this video. Congratulations and thank you for practicing with me. I hope you feel more confident now when speaking English. Remember to use these phrases in your everyday conversations, and soon, I promise you, you will have more fluent English. Do you have any questions about the phrases we were just practicing? Leave them in the comments below. And please don't forget to practice with me often so that you can improve your English fluency. And if you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up to support me. Until the next video, I wish you a beautiful day, stay zen, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!